A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You think say a time now? You think say a full time God come for him world? Make we think about it. And while you are think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is the best time to click this subscribe button and the notification bell. If you don't want to miss none of what I go on, right here. So. Today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 14, from verse 14 to verse 20. When me look, me see one white cloud in front of me, and somebody like the man where God pick did a sit down upon the cloud with one gold crown upon his head and sitting like one sharp cutlass in him hand. Then one another angel come out of God's house and call out loud to this somebody where sit down upon the cloud. Him say, take your cutlass and start chop down the field, cause the fruit them upon the earth well ripe, and the time come now to start gather up with upon the earth. So this somebody where did sit down upon the cloud, flashing cutlass over the earth and gather up with the gather. One next angel come out of God's house in heaven with one sharp cutlass too. And one next angel were in charge of fire come from the altar and call out loud to the one who have the sharp cutlass. Him say, take your sharp cutlass and gather the bunch of grape from the grapevine them upon the earth, cause the grape them ripe now. The angel flashing cutlass upon the earth and gather up the grape them. Him take them and fling them in a big wine pit where then squeeze out the juice out of the grape. And walk me in a wine pit, come in like, oh God, I go deal with them, cause he well bakes. Then get tap up pan in a wine pit where the outside of the city. And blood run out of the wine pit like one river, about 5 foot deep and 184 miles long. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.